Let me show you my recent tinted sunglass collection. I'll try them on for you to see how they look. I don't have any browns or blacks because 2026 is all about tinted glasses, okay? So we're talking red, we're talking yellow, we're talking blue. So let me show all of them to you. Wow, that's right. And also I'm gonna link them for you, and these are all from one brand, so it will be easier for you to find them. So first is this, in no particular order I'm trying them, okay? Very vintage, very old Bollywood, like Kareena Kapoor in her prime. I think these type of glasses are making a comeback again. They do look good on the face, but the only thing is that they reflect a lot. So whatever is in front of me, you can see it on the frame. So that's the only issue, that I can't wear them on camera, but in public appearances, of course, I can wear them. So yeah, this is the first frame. And I also have one more color in this. So I got a pink color in this as well. Again, this is reflective, so you can see everything. But yeah, just to show you how the two colors look. I think I preferred this more. This was suiting my face. This is giving cricketers on the field, you know, when they put on sunscreen and they put on reflective sunglasses. This is how cricketers look. Honestly, I can't even see myself clearly in the camera. From this, I could see clearly. But from this, there is quite a bit of tint, so I can't see properly. But let's quickly compare the two. See instantly. This is why sunglasses matter. They change how you look. I think I like this one better. Tell me in the comments. Okay, moving on to the next one. We have these. So this looks so bougie to me. This is the perfect sunglass, to be honest. This is a plastic frame, okay? And this is the red tinted. But it's just the overall build, overall style and shape of it. It just gives bougie look. I even wore these in a recent Instagram video. Read the comments. You'll see that people also agree that these give rich, bougie vibes. Okay, moving on. Let's do this now. So I wore this recently to an event, and I literally got so many DMs. People were like, please share your sunglass link. And from there, I got the idea to make this video because I thought my recent sunglass collection is bomb, okay? I think I collected a lot of good ones. So I thought, okay, let me show you all of the ones that I've collected and link them in one place for you. I'm not gonna say the brand name, but I'm gonna link it for you, okay? I think out of all the pieces, this has to be my favorite. Overall, it's just suiting my face. The color combination, the style, everything is perfect on this. Also, I can see clearly there is no tint on the glass. So yeah, if I had to choose my favorite sunglass out of all the ones that I'm showing to you today, these are the ones. Okay, moving on. We have this one. Now, to be honest, I didn't like this. For some reason, it's making me look like a fly. Maybe it's the shape, but I don't feel very comfortable wearing them in public. Maybe I need some time to get used to, you know, such shape of glasses. But yeah, I'm giving you my honest opinions. These looked really good on the model. That's why I got them. But on me, they look below average. I don't know how they will look on you, but I'm just giving my honest opinions on what I feel about each glass. So yeah. Okay, moving on. Next I have a yellow sunglass. Ooh. Now this is a good one. This is giving an uncle who plays golf on Sundays vibe. Retro factor in it. yeah, the overall classiness and the I don't care about you vibe that these are giving. Very comfortable to wear. Again, not very tinted, so I can see clearly. But yeah, this would be my second favorite. Oh no, actually, my second favorite was this one. And I think these two are like my second favorites. Yeah. Okay, moving on, we have this sunglass broke the internet. Like literally so many people commented for the link. I knew that people are gonna like this. That's why I got it. That's why I put a reel on it, because I know how difficult it is to find these kind of glasses. So when I found it, I knew I had to share it on a reel. But now we're doing a YouTube video, so you're seeing my entire collection. But yeah, this sunglass is like your Europe summer sunglass. You wear it with an all white outfit on your Europe vacation and you're instantly giving rich vibes. It's just that. And when a woman wears these kind of glasses, you know she is confident, you know she's chic. Like I said, I don't feel confident wearing these glasses. Similarly, wearing these kind of glasses in public require a level of confidence. But if you can wear them, please do get one of these. Wear them with any outfit and people are gonna perceive you differently. It just adds character to your personality. Oh, we have completed our collection quite quickly. It took me 3 months to collect them, but in like 5 minutes, I was able to show it to you. Now, these are Gentle Monster inspired. These are not Gentle Monster. But when I got them, then I got to know that these are Gentle Monster dupes because I saw them on Pinterest. So these are like clear specs, not sunglasses, these are specs. But yeah, even if you want that corporate baddie look with this stem that also has a little bit of embellishment, because this is what Gentle Monster is doing. I'm not reaching for this a lot because I don't like wearing specs. I used to wear specs for 15, 20, 25 years of my life. Then I got my eye surgery done. So I stay away from wearing specs. But if you are someone who has to wear them, or if you like wearing them, then I think this is a nice option, because these are also like fancy specs. You can't change the glasses, by the way, or I don't know, you'll have to ask. I would prefer not to change the glasses, use them as it is. But yeah, in case you want a simple option, this is it. Somebody messaged me. That was it. That was my recent sunglass collection. I hope you're able to find something that is suitable to your style and your face type. And again, I'm linking all of them so that you can also look cool and bougie this summer. In case if there is anything particular that you would like me to share, do let me know in the comments, because it helps me give you content that is actually helpful to you. Okay, see you next time. Bye.